Hey all, welcome to my quick tutorial on using the Bridge Builder Simulator game. I'm assuming that a lot of you will just dive into the game and figure things out on your own, but I thought I'd make this just in case any of you needed a little rundown on how everything works with Bridge Builder. So first thing I wanted to say is when you follow the link that I provided you, your screen might not look exactly like mine. It might be blank in the middle here. You may have to allow Adobe Flash Player to do that. You'll click, and then over here you'll have a little screen that pops up that says allow, and then Flash Player should work. Sometimes you have to refresh the page, but that should do the trick. If you have trouble getting this screen and you can't get Flash Player to work, please let me know through email or send me a Google Hangout message and I'll be able to help you. Okay, so when you're at this screen, if you click levels, you'll notice that I've been playing a little bit and I have level 1 and level 2 unlocked. You'll only have level 1 unlocked. You can click the play button to start. If you ever come back, you can select your level there. So I'm going to click the play button. Okay. And what I'm going to do is, you can see I've played this level. I'm going to quickly get rid of all these pieces and start fresh, just like you will on your screen. Okay, so it'll look like this. So over here, you have the amount of money you have to spend. So as you build your bridge, that amount of money will go down. I like that because it forces you to be at least a little bit efficient in the bridge that you make. Essentially, what's going to happen is there's going to be a truck that has to drive across this little ravine, this little canyon here, and you have to build a bridge to help the truck get across. Up here we have the different tools. The main tool you'll use is the draw line that I'm showing you right now. So when I click the draw line, I will be able to click and draw pieces of a bridge like that. Now notice it took some money away. Now if I play it right now with just that going across, you hit the play button up there, and then we click this green button to move the truck. Let's watch what happens. You could probably guess I don't have any of my triangles. I just have 2 sticks going across, and oh, there goes the truck. Okay, so we're going to play again. So I built that. I want you to apply what you've learned about building bridges and the importance of triangles to this. So this time, I'm going to try to build maybe a tiny little triangle like that going across. Okay, let's see how this works. I'm going to hit the play button over here. Hey, there's our truck again. It's not a fiery wreck anymore, and I'm going to hit play. Let's see if the trick makes it. So far, so good. Ooh, another failure. So what you have to do is you have to analyze your design. As the truck drove across, you'll see these different sticks highlight. When they highlight red, that means they're experiencing a lot of tension or compression, and we have to relieve that or distribute it somehow. I'm going to make one more line here to break my big triangle up into 2 little triangles. Okay, let's see how that worked. I'm going to hit play. Let's have our truck move. Cross my fingers. Better not crash. Oh, hey, and I think our truck made it. Very good. It made it all the way to the finish line. Now, I can play that level again, or I can go on to the next level. I'm going to go on to the next level. And you can see I already have a bridge here as well. I'm going to take it out so I can show you some features. Please don't copy off my bridge. I know probably you already looked at it already. Spoilers, the bridge that you just saw there in the video did work. The truck did make it across, but I want to show you how to build one other thing. So I'm going to build my base again, going across, and you can see the lines only go so far. So you'll have to add multiple beams to get it all the way across. Okay, let's say I wanted to go up. Notice that line can't reach all the way to that little right angle of the graph paper. I'm going to have to go down a little bit like that. And I'm going to go across. Okay, what I want to show you is another feature. They have something called a cable here. It's second from the down. Cable would be like the tension lines that you see on suspension bridges. Think like Golden Gate Bridge, something like that. So I'm going to add some cables to this. I think I'm adding cables. Yeah. Okay. And let's play this. You can see on my bridge it looks a little bit different. Those are cables. And I can tell already by the wobbling of this bridge that I don't think this is going to go well. But let's try it anyways. All right, here goes our truck. Oh, it looks like the truck, is he even going? I don't even think my truck wants to move right now. I think he knows that that bridge is way too unstable. So I'm going to go back to the edit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some beams that go across like this. Let's make as many triangles as possible. Okay, I'm going to hit play. See how that works. Okay, now I think the truck is not as nervous to drive across my bridge. Ooh, I can see those cables moving. Again, notice the red popping up. That shows where all the tension and compression is. And I made it to the next level. One more thing you can do, you notice these bridges get longer and longer. You can actually also build off of the span if you want to. So you can make things called anchors that are over on the land. That might help you as well as you start to build your bridge. Good luck. I'll have details in the assignment for what I want you to do with this game, but have fun, enjoy. Remember, triangles are your best friend.